In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Claude AI conversations. If you've been chatting in Claude and want a secure backup, need a record for your files, or simply prefer to keep a local copy of your conversations, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to grab everything in one neat package. First, open a desktop web browser and head to claude.ai. This export process is designed for the desktop site. So make sure you are not using the iOS or Android mobile apps for this part. Once the site loads and you are signed into your account, look to the bottom left corner of the page. You will see your profile icon, often displaying your initials. Click that to open your account menu. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, find the Privacy section. This is where Claude groups options related to your data and account handling. In Privacy, you'll see an option labeled Export Data. Click Export Data to request a copy of your information. Claude will package your conversation history into a downloadable zip file. This usually includes your messages and related data, bundled so you can store or review it offline. After you start the export, switch over to your email inbox that's tied to your Claude account. Anthropic will send you a message with a link to download your zip file once it's ready. If you don't see it within a short time, give it a moment, then check your spam or promotions folders. And try searching your inbox for the sender name to surface it quickly. When the message arrives, open it and use the provided download link to save the zip file to your computer. Choose a folder you will remember, like your downloads or a dedicated backups folder, so it's easy to find later. When the download finishes, open the zip. On most computers, you can just double-click the file to view its contents or extract it. Inside, you will find your exported data ready for review or safekeeping. Treat this file like any other private document, store it securely. Avoid sharing it publicly, and consider deleting it from shared devices when you are done. One last reminder, the export feature isn't supported in the iOS or Android mobile apps. If you try this on your phone or tablet, you won't see the option. Use a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. That's it. Thanks for watching.